Hey folks, Roger with Printer Strategies here to talk about this Duplex from Adelco. It is a dryer for direct-to-garment and other type fabrics. We're using it today in conjunction with a Kornit Storm HD6. Just wanted to show you what's great about this machine. You can see that these are turning at different speeds. I've got this one set to a 12-minute duration, and the bottom one is set to a 2-minute. Now, 2 minutes is way too short for direct-to-garment. I just wanted to be able to show you the difference in speeds. I'm going to go ahead and set that up to 10 minutes. So we're going to do 12 up top and 10 below. We'll run a couple of black shirts up top and a white shirt down below, which doesn't take nearly as much energy. You can see we've got our flame signal here. It's being processed by a sensor down below. We've got our set point. I just turned this on, so it's still coming up to temp. You can see it is climbing here, but we've got our complete operator control panel here. Down in here is your electronics. Over here is your valve that dictates how much you're recycling versus going outside to the outside. Here's our top and bottom outputs. Over here is the gas line. So this is where the gas comes in. And you can see the regulator there. A little bit more on the electronics that's in here. And we're back to the front. The total size on this is 20 feet long from edge to edge. It's 8 feet wide, but when you include the operator control panel that sticks out a little bit, it's about 9 foot 3 inches wide maximum. And it is 77 inches tall. So right now we are just going to wait for it to heat up, and we're going to throw some t-shirts on there and we'll see how she does. Okay, so here's our sample image. This is on a black t-shirt. We're going to run that on the top. So we've got our two blacks up on top. Those are going to have a little bit longer dwell time. And then we're going to throw a white down here on the bottom. The white does not take as long for two reasons. Number one, it's got a lot less fixation on it, because number two, there's not a white underlayer. So there's a lot more ink on the blacks than there is on the white. That's why this dual belt, dual speed is so helpful. It's the same is true whether you're doing t-shirts up here and sweatshirts down here, or whatever the case may be. It allows you to do multiple garments at the same time without having to make adjustments at the operator level. So here we are at the other end. These are just about out. This machine requires a 3/4 inch gas line, and it uses 3-phase 24 amp. In our case, we run 208, but it'll do 208, 220, 240, 3-phase. Any of those will work fine. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we've got here. As you can see, all of the fixation has dried off. That is a fused image. That's nice. I'm an astronaut. Here's black shirt number 2. Good fuse. Not sticky at all. And here's Mr. White. So what you look for here is to see if there's any kind of staining or anything like that around the white from the fixation. We don't have any, so that means we've got our time and tip set correctly. It's nice to have a faster belt below than up above for these white garments.